In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Ethereum Charles Schwab. Here's the straightforward truth. You can't buy or hold actual Ethereum, the ETH coin itself, directly in a standard Schwab brokerage account. There's no built-in crypto wallet at Schwab and no way to take custody of on-chain assets there. But you can still get Ethereum price exposure inside your Schwab account, and that's what I'll show you now. The most common route is through an Ethereum exchange-traded fund, sometimes called an ETP. These funds are designed to track the price of Ethereum, and they trade just like a stock during market hours. Because the fund does the heavy lifting behind the scenes, you don't need a crypto wallet, private keys, or a separate crypto exchange. Keep in mind, when you buy an Ethereum ETF, you're getting exposure to ETH's price movements, not owning native ETH you can send or stake. To place an order on Schwab, log into your account and navigate to trade, then choose ETFs. In the search box, type Ethereum ETF or enter a specific ticker, such as ETH or another spot Ethereum fund that appears in Schwab's search results. Open the fund's page to review details like its objective and expense ratio, then click Buy. Choose your order type. A market order aims to fill right away at the current price, while a limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. Enter the quantity, review the estimated cost, and confirm the order. Once it executes, you'll see the position in your portfolio. Congratulations, you now have Ethereum exposure in your Schwab account. Another option inside Schwab is to invest in crypto-related stocks, such as publicly traded crypto exchanges or blockchain-focused companies. This is considered indirect exposure, and it may not track Ethereum's price as closely because business fundamentals, earnings, and broader market factors can influence those shares. A quick note on timing. Schwab has announced plans to roll out direct crypto trading, including Ethereum. But as of now, it isn't fully available to everyone. Keep an eye on official Schwab updates. When that launches more broadly, you may be able to buy ETH directly within their ecosystem. Until then, ETFs are the simplest way on Schwab to mirror Ethereum's price without managing wallets. That's it. Review fund materials, understand the risks and fees, decide on your order type, and place the trade. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate Ethereum exposure at Schwab with confidence.